Shorty.
Oh, sabi oh. Doon, 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 Jen, doon.
Big. African and emu. They're very big.
Oh, baka ano to? Ay, maliit na ostrich ang tawag doon.
Imo.
Imo o ano? Marami bang hayop dito sa Manila Zoo, ah? Di ba?
Ay, don't put your... Ahya.
The wings of the...
Let's post with the ostrich. See the...
Pero i-follow yung number. Just follow the number.
Where is 19? This is called
Where?
the Malayan.
Where is
Malayan
19? It's the Malayan tapir.
Where's the tapir? The Malayan tapir? What does it look? Yeah, I see a boat. 21 is right there.
Oh no. Let's look lang here. It's a bird.
It's a bird song.
Yeah. Oh, it's here.
It's a bird. A parrot. Red-winged parrot. Blue back parrot. Blue backers. Look, 34 meerkat.
Yeah. They're
A meerkat?
outside of that spot. Tingnan mo. Don't tap the
Meerkat.
glass, okay? Oh, look, oh.
What? Hello.
It's going out.
That's the one from ano?
Yeah.
Lion King.
Planet. From the...
Oh! Yeah, the meerkat has off.
Here sa unahan.
The fox is there.
Hi.
Si Shobe, tap.
Big giraffe. 30th line, the giraffe zone. There's giraffe pooping here. I don't know why. Giraffe of what? Giraffe poop. Giraffe poop?
Oh, look at that.
Look. Sorry.
Pang feeding lang ba to?
They're feeding them carrots. The fox is still curling. The fox is still sleeping. I want to have a pet.
Ilan kaya ba yung feeding monster?
Hindi na. Kids, don't not too close, ha?
Kayo sir, magpapafeed din po ba kayo?
Wow, Aya, come here. Boy. There's a lot of...
Magkasama po ba kayo, ma'am sir? Try
niyo po. Pagka magpapakain po, pwede po sa kamay, pwede din pong gagamit ng stick po. Sobrang po.
Look at that. Ay, don't stand
Jaco.
too close to them.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
There's a lot of giraffe poop.
Okay.
Careful of your
Giraffe!
neck and don't get too close.
What do you mean giraffe?
Kasi,
Wag po sa front face, sir. Opo. Baba lang po.
Jaco, you touch the ano.
What?
Here, the baba. Careful, hanap to.
gentle ha.
Yeah, monkey touch. Bye-bye, giraffe.
Taxi.
Why is it licking the fence?
You know what?
Why is it licking the fence? Because it smells funny. Daddy,
Oh, Jaco.
ang ganda ng picture.
Oh, Jaco.
Don't touch the top side of the face. Just the under. I showed you.
See?
Nag-ano po, nag-aantay po.
Sorry.
Wow.
Cute naman nito, no? Kahit malaki. Ang haba pa ng kanyang eyelashes.
Jaco, oh yeah. Okay, say bye now.
Bye, giraffe. Wait, Shorty, the snake you touched in the front of Sparky feels like the one every time.
Oh, Jaco.
Anong ginawa? Dinilaan siya?
Sabi ko, sabi ko. You have.
No. It's okay.
It's okay. That's a giraffe. You touch the giraffe, diba?
Oh, floor.
That's Simba.
Simbahan. That's Simbahan.
Guys.
Lion. African lion.
That's a church.
Wow, lion siya yun.
Daddy.
Lion.
The baby has
Lion, come here.
Ay.
Lion.
Lion!
Ang sarap ng higa ng isa. Ayun. Isa parang ano yan? Hair? Hair. Hair yung isa.
African wild dog. Own landscape.
Tumayo na siya.
It's the Jaco.
It's the Daddy. Mommy. Mommy, here. Video is. Did you already video the other monkey? Mommy, the lion was
Here, monkey. Monkey.
so now it says not talk.
Where are you? Where are you?
They're all the monkeys.
It's resting. Oh, there's
Blood.
the one with the white quet. See? Oh my.
There's a leopard.
Here, tiger. Here, tiger.
Hey.
Tiger.
Leopard.
Oh, tiger. Here.
Guys, do not put your hand. Not too close.
Jaguar! Mom, I don't know why the jaguar is like doing this and this.
Oh, that's the poop, little boy.
Jaguar is jaguar.
That's,
Jaguar!
Yung lion na.
Oh, what's that?
it's a butterfly.
It's mad.
Oh, it's smart.
It's making a sound. Mommy, turn your phone landscape. Turn your phone landscape so that it will be landscape.
Oh,
Jacko, come on.
it's a puma. Yeah, it's a Black Panther. Huh? That's a Marvin. What's this, Shopee?
Big tiger.
There's a tiger. Oh, it's a Bengal tiger. Ano to? A tiger rin.
Hey, what's that on top?
Ano yung sa taas?
I don't know.
A tiger.
Oh yeah, it's another tiger.
Laki. Ayun pa. Sige na, Junard. Pasok mo na yung kit mo. Para mabawasan. Yung inside yung kit. Pet. Bawal hayop dito.
Yo.
Everybody knows.
Jacob hawak.
That's Madeline always draw when I ring. Berry! That bear's just eating. That bear's very hungry. It's called the Helarctos malayanus. The
How did you know?
Malayan sunbear.
How did you know?
A monkey! The monkey's hanging on the
Let's check.
No, the monkey's hanging.
Oh my, it's
Cat.
oh there's cats.
Yeah, different colors.
Yeah, there's lots of
Ayun.
Naglalambing ako.
Mommy, can you video the cats next?
You like that monkey, Shabe? Yes. Oh, ow, ow. Oh, look at that. Oh.
The gorilla.
That's
That's a gorilla.
let's look at that, okay?
Born yan, kailangan.
Oh, look at that. Talaga nakakita.